Good PM. Today is Thursday, January 18, 2024, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, January 18, 2024. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for January 18, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of January 18, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.